Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Gated entrance to a charming modern house surrounded by lush gardens, showcasing an impressionistic aesthetic. The scene features stone pathways leading to the warmly lit home with a red-tiled roof, elegantly framed by vibrant greenery and blooming hydrangeas. The colors are rich and vivid, with deep greens, soft whites, and warm earthy tones highlighting the natural beauty. Ancient wrought iron gates, slightly ajar, reveal a misty pathway leading into a dense, lush forest, shrouded in soft rain. The gates are adorned with intricate, rusted details and topped with golden orbs, exuding a sense of forgotten elegance. Cobblestone path glistens with moisture, reflecting hints of earthy browns and greens. Surrounding foliage is rich and vibrant, featuring various shades of green, with ferns and low shrubs framing the scene. Soft, diffused light filters through the tree canopy, creating an ethereal atmosphere. A serene autumn garden entrance, showcasing a modern black metal gate with an intricate cutout design that mimics natural stones, backlit by warm golden sunlight filtering through colorful autumn leaves. Surrounding the path are lush green ferns and vibrant, multicolored fall foliage, including fiery red and orange maple trees in the background. The ground features a smooth stone pathway, blending gracefully with the environment. Lush garden path framed by an ornate wrought iron archway adorned with vibrant red roses, set in a tranquil, rain-soaked atmosphere. The ground is slick and glistening, reflecting the colorful blossoms and soft, green foliage. Showers of rain cascade from the sky, creating a misty veil that adds an ethereal quality to the scene. The lighting is soft and diffused, enhancing the rich hues of the roses and the darker greens of the surrounding plants. Petals scattered along the pathway create a romantic and serene vibe. A charming garden scene featuring a rustic pink wooden gate, partially open, surrounded by vibrant roses in shades of pink and lush green foliage. The gate is set against a backdrop of a weathered wooden fence, adding to the quaint atmosphere. The ground is covered with a mix of colorful wildflowers, including white daisies and yellow marigolds, creating a lively contrast. Soft natural lighting enhances the scene, casting gentle shadows and highlighting the textures of the wood and flowers. Vibrant and artistic entrance gate made from an eclectic mix of colorful bicycle wheels and frames, creating a striking piece-together mural effect. The gate features a large, arched structure with a combination of warm reds, yellows, blues, and greens. Surrounding the gate, a rustic stone wall adds texture and depth to the scene, complemented by seasonal greenery and bright yellow flowers at the base, suggesting a late afternoon golden hour glow. A serene garden entrance framed by a dark wooden trellis, adorned with a meticulous lattice design. The foreground features vibrant pink and coral blooming flowers, creating a lush and inviting atmosphere. Surrounding the entrance are rich green foliage and large, leafy plants that enhance the natural beauty. The ground is paved with warm-toned brick paths that guide the eye toward the ornate gate, which hints at a tranquil garden beyond. A captivating garden entrance at dawn, featuring grand, open wrought iron gates flanked by brick pillars. The scene is set in an enchanting, Impressionist style, with soft, dappled light filtering through lush green trees. The pathway, paved with warm, textured bricks, leads to a cozy, welcoming house partially obscured by vibrant blue hydrangeas. The flowers bloom abundantly, contrasting with the rich green foliage, while subtle highlights from lanterns on the gate provide a warm ambience. A picturesque entrance to a luxurious Mediterranean villa, featuring grand wrought iron gates flanked by ornate stone pillars. The villa exhibits a classic architectural style with a warm terracotta roof, surrounded by lush green gardens, vibrant flowers, and neatly trimmed hedges. The pathway is lined with cobblestones, leading up to the inviting front door. The scene is illuminated by soft, natural light, highlighting the rich textures of the stone and the greenery. The sky is a bright blue with scattered fluffy clouds, evoking a serene and tranquil ambience. A serene and enchanting garden entrance surrounded by lush greenery, featuring a rustic wooden gate adorned with decorative metal accents. The gate is flanked by stone pillars topped with vintage lanterns casting a soft glow in a light rain.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.